What's up, my motor fans, and welcome back to our channel Rkdimmortal. And today's video, I'm going to share an update on copy trading. So we have started copy trading on XM broker. You can see this is my profile, and I know I've been not active for some time. Many times I am not active, like almost a 1 month break. Sometimes I take, but the thing is I'm just optimizing my system so you can make a very good profit. So this broker I have changed recently because this broker was giving me a better leverage for copy trading. Because if you see other brokers, they are like giving me only leverage up to 1 is to 200 or something, which is not enough for making this kind of profits. And this profits that I have done is started from 4th of January. Actually, I started 4th of January very late at night, so I didn't make anything on 4th January, but I started making like from 5th January. You can see consistently. 5th January was Friday. Okay, if you see, this performance of 100% is just in 5 days of trading days. Okay, 5 trading days, which is insane. And also this profile is public, you can find it on XM broker. So I already have make a video of how to join in here. So if you are interested, you can just ask me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm always active there. And already you can see almost like $9,000 are invested on this account, like copying my account. And the minimum investment for copying this account is only $50, to remember. And my profit share for handling this account 24/7 is 20%. And leverage and everything you can see in here. Okay, so you can see so many people have already joined, and that's like 49 people are copying me when I'm making this video, and it is increasing. So thanks a lot whoever are copying and believing on my performance. So you can see from 5th I started. Okay, 5th was a trading day, then Saturday Sunday was holiday, so we leave that. Then 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So that's like only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 days going on. This day is still not over. It's around 8 p.m. when I'm making this video in India time. So you can see it's a very good performance. Like, I didn't expect up to 100%. I expected like only 50%, but this is very good. And I'm only doing on GBP USD and like 4 pairs, but mostly my preferred pair is GBP USD, so I don't use gold on this account, so which is very good. And my drawdown has only reached up to 15%, which is very good for how much profit we are making. And we are trying to do a swing trading with our EA, so it kind of take like 1 day for the trades to be over, but it's very effective. Like, we are making very decent profits, as you can see. So yeah, so you can see in here GBP USD, NZD USD, what pairs I'm using, everything is mentioned in here. And this profile is public, so you can find it on XM. So if you don't have an account, you can just open an account with the link I have given in the description. So just open an account on the broker and you can immediately copy this account. I also have another video on that already, so you can do that. Also, you should have an investor account and have a balance in there, then only you can copy it. Once you have a balance, just find my account, which is easy. Just type Rkdimmortal, and do remember, this is the one you should copy. If some fake account is being created, then don't copy that. This is the only one I am copying with. And you can see in here it's clearly written like 49 people are copying, so almost half a century of people are copying me, so that's a good thing. And also, if you see, this fees are is very decent. Many people are like charging much more than that. Like, you can see 35% fees, and this guy is only having a 38% drawdown, and he is barely making like 43%. So we have a very better system, you can already see, and we will continue like this. At least we will make 25 to 50% every week. So this week was very profitable, that's why I showed you. Next week I will also update again how I am doing. So I will try to make this video like every week. Also, this broker is very good, like instant withdrawals. If you're from India or any other country, you can get withdrawals in crypto, bank transfer, in your credit card, debit card, in your UPI option. Everything is available in here. This broker is very good, and you will get an account manager also who will listen to you whatever issues you have. You can talk to them. And also, thanks for following me, because we are on the most popular list also. You can see here my account is already featured here, and this is just in 5-6 days, so I'm very happy with my performance. So thanks for um, copying me. And you can see even in here I'm featured like the most invested account. And also, this copy trading on this broker was available only after October, so I didn't know about it. That's why I started so late. But we will continue, okay, don't worry, this will continue, and it's a very decent performance. Whenever you copy, we will try to keep our drawdown at least less than 20% all the time. It's only reach up to 15%, which is decent. I will try to keep very low, okay. And you can see many people have very high drawdowns, like this one has like 90%. So we have a very better drawdown, and you can copy with only $50. And also another advantage, if you copy in here like um, with $50, it will open like 0. Like it has a feature of opening very low lot size, which I will show in here. If I go to copy trades, you can see in here it's written how they calculate what kind of lot size they will put on your account. You can see it's clearly written, so how they do it. And you can see the minimum for copy trade is 0.001 lot, which is very good. Then you have a very low risk factor, because I only open like 0.01 lot, and then maybe I will increase it, but your lot size will still stay on 0.001. If you have a lower balance than me, like $100, $50, it will only open this lot size, which is very good. uh, okay. And also the leverage matters, so my leverage I keep a bit higher, so your lot size will be opening even lower than my account. So I have taken all precautions. I only trade with like $500-$600, so it's easier for you to copy. And also this multiplier level is decided as per your investment. If you have a $50, this multiplier will be different, and this will keep on changing as per my deposit and withdrawals, okay. So all you have to do is just select how much you want to invest. Like if you invest like 800, almost $850, then you will get same lot size as you can see in here. So yeah, so that's how it works. So you can copy me in here, it's very easy. So if you are interested in copying, just copy this account. I will show you how to do it. Create an account and just copy it. So I have given my referral link, so I hope you copy me in here. So thanks for watching. See you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.